We were in our second year of BTech when the startup idea of automatic machines for cooking came into our minds. Once we got a chance to talk with the workers of a hostel mess, and we came to know that they were facing difficulties in making bulk amount of food for thousands of students in the hostel. And they were not using any kind of machines for making food in bulk. Instead, they were making in medium-sized vessels repeatedly for hours, which made their jobs very difficult. We also inquired about this in nearby hotels and came to know that they were also facing the same issues. Among the food items prepared in our hostel, puttu was the one which was taking more time for making. This issue brought up an idea in our minds that why can't we automate this process? Finally, in 1 week time, we came up with the design of a machine which could make 8 puttu at a time. After lots of discussion and redesigning, we finally ended up in a design of a machine which could make 50 puttu in less than 10 minutes. It was in 2019 when we first came to know about the proof of concept contest conducted by MHRD and AICTE, and with great expectation we applied for the contest. There were more than 3,500 applicants for the competition from all over India, and we got selected in the first round and was shortlisted for the zonal levels, which was conducted at Marine Engineering College, Trivandrum. There were more than 120 teams which participated in the zonal levels, and ours was one among the 5 teams which got selected into the national levels from the state of Kerala. The 3-day boot camp which was conducted at AICTE headquarters was really an eye-opener for us. Getting a chance to meet and interact with successful entrepreneurs and great personalities was really inspiring for us. And at last, all our hard work paid off and we reached the finals of the competition and was granted 4 lakh rupees as an initial support for our startup. That was really a life-changing moment for us. We are forever thankful to MHRD, IIC and AICTE for the support and opportunity for conducting a POC contest like this and guiding us towards success. On August 4, 2021, we applied for the patent for our product, and on August 6, the patent got approved. On September 1, 2021, we had a committee meeting with our college officials, and on September 7th, we incubated our startup at Malabar Innovation Entrepreneurship Zone, which was located at Thaliparamba in Kannur district. On October 13, 2021, we achieved an important milestone in our startup journey. We have successfully registered our startup company, Farado Private Limited.